Good morning, students. Students, today I am going to continue the second chapter, Kings, Farmers, and Towns. Alright, in this chapter, we are going to study about Ashoka, King Ashoka. Alright, when I am talking about Ashoka, you will find that we can able to say pronounce this name as a Ashoka as well as Ashoka. This is the Prakrit word, Asoka, Asoka. And if it is Ashoka, Ashoka, then it is the Sanskrit word. Alright. And he reigned from 273 to 232 BC. Alright. And he was one of the greatest Mauryan emperor. He was one of the greatest Mauryan king. Alright. And he conquered Kalinga. Kalinga means which state? Odisha, present day Odisha. Okay. In which year? In 261 BC. This is very important for your one marker question. In conference call also I told you that in which year Ashoka conquered Kalinga. Alright, that is in 261 BC. And Kalinga war caused great sorrow. Alright, Kalinga war जो थी वैसे अशोका ही fought many war, but Kalinga war he that changed his life, because in that war 1 lakh soldiers they died. And after seeing the dead body of the soldiers, after seeing the bloodshed of the blood of the soldiers, blood shed, so many people and so many soldiers they died. So for that reason his heart changed. Okay, and we will see that from Chanda Ashok to Dharma Ashok, right? And due to this war Ashoka abandoned the policy of conquest. ओके और उसके बाद उसने अपनी सारी जो जीवन थी ही committed his life for the social welfare activities. Okay, he adopted measures of peace. Just see here, Bheri Ghosha replaced by Dharma Ghosha means he was very much fond of war. Okay, but after the Kalinga war, it's changed his life, and he became very much religious minded. All right, and he became the follower of Buddhism. Right, I want to tell you students, he introduced Dhamma policy. Dhamma is not a religion but the basic principles of life. And he has given this responsibility to Dharma Mahamatras. Just see here, Dharma Mahamatras. And Dharma Mahamatras, who are they? They are very important personalities. Dharma Mahamatras were special officers to spread the message of Dharma, appointed by Ashoka, King Ashoka. Alright, students. Now, students, we'll just see that what are the basic principles are there in the Dhamma policy. Okay, Dhamma जो word है, it's a Prakrit word and means dharma in Sanskrit. Alright, Dhamma policy was adopted by Emperor Ashoka, no doubt in it. Dhamma was moral and ethical code. I told you it's not a religion but the basic principles of life. लाइफ में जीने के लिए कौन कौन सी चीज़ों की ज़रूरत है, व्हाट शुड बी द बेसिक प्रिंसिपल्स, दैट इज देयर इन द Dhamma. That means Dhamma was moral and ethical code. Okay, no cheating. Alright. Dhamma was not a religious practice. Right, I told you it's not a religion. Right. Dhamma was based on the Buddhist principle. It's based on Buddhist principle but not a religion. Remember this. Dhamma policy initiated to eliminate social and religious tensions. Okay, there is nothing in that so that it can create tension. Okay, along with the other religion. Ashoka engraved his views on Dhamma in rock edicts. I told you that Ashoka was the first king who used inscriptions. Right, he wrote all about his life in inscriptions. As well as Dhamma is concerned, he mentioned all the basic principles of life were in rock edicts. Okay, rock edicts. All right, what are the principles are there? I told you the basic principles, but what are the principles? These are respect and obedience to parents, teachers, elders. Okay, after that, generosity towards Brahmana, ascetics, पुअर मीन्स दयावान रहो, किसके प्रति? ब्राह्मणों के प्रति. एसेटिक्स मीन्स सन्यासी, सन्यासी के प्रति. एंड गरीब के प्रति. ऑल राइट. ट्रीटिंग स्लेव्स एंड सर्वेंट्स काइंडली, शो काइंड to the slaves and servants. All right. As well as maintain religious tolerance. Okay. Next, practice non-violence as well as follow truthfulness, morality and purity. Okay students, so these are the basic principles of life. Okay, and he included all these things in the Dhamma policy, and with this policy he tried to bind his empire, and he is given this responsibility to Dharma Mahamatras. Okay students.